Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by drying the wingettes thoroughly so moisture doesn't steam them. That step makes crisping work. Once dry, toss with a small amount of oil and a little baking powder. This raises pH and promotes browning, so you get crunch without deep frying. Make sure to season evenly. Salt early so it penetrates. Preheat your air fryer to 200 degrees C, 390 degrees F, then lay wingettes in a single layer with gaps for airflow. This first setup determines texture and timing. You start the cook hot to jumpstart Maillard reactions and seal the skin. Run 10 to 12 minutes at 200 degrees C, then pause and shake or flip each piece to expose new surfaces. Once done, lower the temperature to 180 degrees C, 355 degrees F, and continue for another 6 to 8 minutes so fat renders without burning the exterior. Make sure to check internal temperature. Aim for 74 degrees C, 100. You finish by resting the wingettes for 3 to 5 minutes so juices settle and the crust firms. That rest is where texture becomes stable. If you want sauced wings, wait until after resting and toss quickly so sauce clings. Saucing too early softens the skin. If pieces are soggy, return them to a preheated 200 degrees C air fryer for 3 to 5 minutes to recrisp, but watch closely to avoid burning. Adjust time by how wet the sauce or skin looks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.